Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are looking at the 2025 Honda XRM 125, one of the most versatile and best-selling underbone motorcycles in Asia. It's a perfect mix of daily usability, sporty looks, and rugged capability, engine and performance. At the heart of the XRM 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine with Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection. It produces around 9.5 horsepower and 9.5 newton-meters of torque, giving you enough punch for city traffic and light off-road riding. Thanks to Honda's engineering, it delivers excellent fuel economy, with mileage reaching up to 65 kilometers per liter. Transmission and ride. The bike uses a 4-speed rotary gearbox with a centrifugal clutch, making it smooth and beginner-friendly. It also comes with both electric and kickstart options, so you'll never be stuck. Variants. Honda offers 3 main versions of the XRM 125. DS, Dual Sport, basic but reliable, with a front disc and rear drum brake. DSX, Dual Sport Extreme. Adds sportier styling, a digital meter, knuckle guards, and disc brakes on both wheels. Modeled inspired by Honda's CRF dirt bikes, it features alloy wheels, stylish decals, and a sportier road presence. Suspension and comfort. With telescopic forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear, the XRM handles bumps and rough patches easily. Its 774mm seat height and light 102 kg weight make it comfortable for both young and older riders. Ground clearance is around 145mm, meaning it's ready for uneven city roads or rural tracks. Design and features. The 2025 XRM comes with CRF-inspired headlights, sporty graphics, and a modern digital display on higher trims. There's also underseat storage on the DSX, and a stylish muffler design that adds to its aggressive stance. Practicality and price. With a 3.9-litre fuel tank, low maintenance costs, and Honda's legendary reliability, the XRM 125 is built for daily use. Prices start around 71,900 Cuban pesos in the Philippines, and in Pakistan, the DS variant is estimated at PKR 214,200. Final verdict. If you want a motorcycle that's fuel-efficient, stylish, comfortable, and versatile for both city and light off-road use, the Honda XRM 125-2025 is a solid choice. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more bike reviews.